This is gonna be the one.
Okay.
Oh wait,
I went
wait.
through a lot just to get one DOS bone, and then it told me that I still needed to do it because for some reason the quest didn't work. So if this isn't the one, then I'm gonna hate myself. Okay. 3. Wait, hold on. Let me check my pity. Okay.
Get off the baby out.
No.
Yeah? Oh no, you take out the bone. When you count down.
I don't have to do anything. I just have to pull out my stand.
Oh.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. For the 50 millionth time. Yes! Yes!
I told you it was gonna be the one. Yes, sir!
What'd you
Let's
get?
go.
What'd you get? What'd you get? Now it's time to go flex in public servers. Ah!
No, it is not yet. I gotta let me use all my rockets and arrows.
Cool. Bro, I did not think that it would look this good, bro.
I think that's rising in value too.
Yeah, it is gonna be because it's brand new.
That's
it
a
came
really,
out
really
last
good skin.
update, except for the Halloween one. Because the Halloween one was the garbage update, and I'm not counting it as an update.
You kind of got that easily, like within like 2 days. But like you started doing it like earlier, like later in the day. So you want to do that again?
Yeah, let's do it next weekend though.
Oh, let's do it this weekend.
I don't have that much time, and I got school tomorrow, so.
You don't want to start?